Hey guys, very good morning and welcome to my channel Prodbug, and we'll continue the learning of the AI. Okay, as you have seen in the the first chapter of the series is like we have done some setup and we connected with the OpenAI and we fire our query and we fetch the results. Okay, there is one thing which I missed to update you guys. Let me show you. Uh, okay, where is that? Yeah, here. Okay, so basically, while doing setup, okay, and while running the code, you might face this issue. Okay, so like rate limit exceed 429 code, insufficient quote. Okay, so if I increase the font, so I'm getting this message initially. Okay, so to solve this purpose, so what you need to do, you need to go to the platform.open.ai usage. Okay, so basically here you have generated your API key. Just below that, there is a usage. You go here and just see here. Uh, do you have a proper plan or not? Because what happens in most of the cases, like we don't have active account. Okay, they give like this $5 free of cost, and most of the time, if you are logging with your Gmail or something, so that has already been expired. Okay, it happens with me. So there are two options. Either you go and purchase from here, okay, or you can use some brand new account. Okay, so you have two options. So you can go for the you buy this one, and otherwise create a brand new Gmail or some new account, okay, which is a fresh and where a free available limit is still present. Okay, so just before, if that error is coming, just go and check your usage whether it is available or not. Okay, so here you can see in my case I have created a new account. Okay, and here my almost complete money is present and I can utilize the services of the OpenAI. Okay, so this is one thing. Okay, so just continue with our last problem. What I have written here. So I have written here like so I'm telling to the model that and the model should behave as a cricket expert, right? And in that case, this OpenAI has given a very long feedback results, right? So I will show you again if uh, you forgot or somehow. Okay, you are starting with this particular chapter. So see, right now I'm saying that you are a 5-year-old kid and don't know anything about cricket. Okay, so this is the persona I have set for this system rule. Okay, so basically I'm telling to the model that you are a 5-year-old kid and you don't know anything about cricket. Okay, and to that 5-year-old kid, I am asking the same question: Who won the Cricket World Cup in 1983? And explain rest of the details about the match. Okay, so let's see how the AI will respond to this one. Okay, so see what the AI is responding is, I am sorry, but as a 5-year-old kid who does not know much about the cricket, okay, I am not familiar with the details of the 1983 Cricket World Cup. However, I can try to find the information you if you would like. Okay, so this is the reply from the AI. Okay, and if I just change this uh, to this to back to a okay, let's change. You are a cricket expert. So I am asking AI that now you are a cricket expert. Now behave like a cricket expert. Okay, and then answer this question. So question will remain as an end user. The question will remain same. Okay, but I just change the system role. Okay, so now let's see what will be the answer. So see, now India won the Cricket World Cup in 1983. The final match was etc. etc. And the complete description about that match. Okay, a long description, full paragraph of information, because now AI is an treating itself as a cricket expert, right? But if you change it to a 5-year-old kid, so you have seen the replies, right? So this way you can just try to play with the AI, and with the same question, if you are running on your system, the reply might be different. So word by word, the reply will definitely change, because you know that AI is learning on daily basis, and AI is changing the answer based on what they are learning on daily basis, right? So answer will be different, but on high level the information will be more or less correct, right? So this is what I want to show you. Okay, now let's jump to some more details about the AI. Let's see what are the other use cases which we can use AI, okay, in our day-to-day life. Okay, so let's start with, so I have find out few things which might be helpful for you guys from different background. Like we will see how AI can you can use as a automation as a developer, how you guys can solve your coding problems. Okay, then as a project manager, how you can use AI to write your big SOWs, right? All these kind of documentation which you send to the client for signatures and all these things. So how you can write your documentations part. So documentation part is a very good use of the AI. Okay, email writing. If you want to write some email to your company or to to anyone to anybody else, you can use the AI. LinkedIn profiles, if you want to create your awesome LinkedIn profile, very heavy words and all this thing, you can use again AI. Then summarize long document. This is another a good option. Let's say you have a 10-page document. Okay, okay, and you don't have a time to read the complete long 10-page documents. You can pass on that document to the AI, and AI will read that document and summarize the document in one paragraph. Okay, so 10-20 pages document can be summarized in one paragraph. So at least you will get a gist of idea, okay, what the document is all about. And whenever you have a good time or free time, you can go through the complete document. Okay, so you can try to have send a you know some novel. Let's say you have some novel PDF, you send that PDF to the AI, and the AI will tell you the summary of the complete novel. So you can use as per your own requirement. Okay, presentations, AI can help you to create presentation. Translations, we already know, like from English to German, German to Spanish, English to Hindi, any kind of translations you can do. Blog writings, people love to write blogs, you can take the help of the AI. Okay, image creations, we know that. I will show you how you can create your own image. Okay, there are a lot of people already know about all this thing, but I will show you once more. There are few more tools. Okay, so let's start with the coding problem, because I think this is what we need as of now, right? So let's see. Could you please tell me how to set up a Java? Okay, see what I want to do. Let me copy this, which I already tried. Could you please tell me how to set up a Java Selenium 4 based page object model automation project? Okay, so I want to set up a new project, okay, based on the page object model and Selenium 4 and Java, which I want to use. Write a basic script opening a google.com and searching for Prodbug, whatever. Okay, YouTube channel. Okay, so if you have one running case, so later on you can write your own test cases. Yeah, so let's try to run. Open a chat GPT. See, so we are trying to set up a Java project in IntelliJ, and I want to use the Selenium 4, and I want a small page object model. Okay, so see how beautifully. So even if you are from the functional background, okay, so this is an awesome thing for you guys, right? So you can easily copy paste all these things, and with a bare minimum knowledge, you can create your own framework. Okay, in any language, in any technology. So see what AI replied to me. I will show you. Open the IntelliJ, create a new project, choose the Java. Okay, click on the finish, add the Selenium 4 dependency. See the Selenium dependency, you can simply copy paste into the pom.xml, and then create a page object model, Google search page. One page has been created. Okay, see, page factory, initialize the driver and all these things. Okay, page factory model, search. You send something here, it will send keys and send keys to the return. Press enter, and you can use this particular method to search anything on the Google and see how beautifully AI has written a code as well. So this is a test case, test class. Here we initialized like we declared the web driver, Google page, we declared the page, and here the setup. See, Chrome driver exe. Okay, you need to change this one. Just add your exe here, and we initialize the Chrome driver and we maximize the window, and see driver.get google.com will be opened, and then your search. This is the before class, right? This is a setup part. Now this is the test case. So Google search page dot search, and see prod bug YouTube channel. This is what I asked AI to write test case, and see after class. So everything is there, right? So your means in just 1 hour you can set up a framework kind of thing, right? So, and if you face any problem you can ask the AI. So see, this is the power of AI, right? So be ready to face the AI. Okay, what else? Can you also tell me how to pass the environment? Okay, so now what I'm asking, like, can you also tell me how to pass the environment name? Let's say if you want to run this test case on production, staging environment, or QA environment. Okay, from the Maven command line and pass it to the Maven pom.xml. Okay, there is a setup like you can pass the your environment in your pom.xml, right? So right now, this AI has given a very simple pom.xml that only we need to add this one, right? But and one more important thing, I am asking a further question to this. Okay, so right now this question is based on my previous question, right? So so AI keep a track of your history, so AI know that what you are meant, because if you directly ask this question, might AI might get confused because I have not given anything here. Okay, so basically AI keep track of your history, so you can ask a follow-up question. Okay, AI will understand. Okay, see, this is a follow-up question. So, see, you can create a property tag, you can pass the environment, and you modify the Google test. Okay, from here. So this is more or less look same. Okay, so here are some changes like setup, environment, fine. Some changes here, and this is the command maven test -d environment dev. Okay, so you can just change from dev to stage, prod, anything. And this is how. And see, this is the pom.xml part, build plugin. So AI used Maven Surefire plugin, and here environment you can easily pass whatever you are running from this command maven test. Whatever you are passing here, it will be entered here. Okay, so you get a ready-made code. You don't need to go to the Stack Overflow or Google anything. You can directly ask to the AI and AI will give the best answer. Okay, there might be some problem, there might be some issues, but as you know, AI is learning on day by day basis. Okay, you can give your feedback also like bad response or something like that, and AI will adjust to it. Okay, accordingly. So this is another good example. Now, one more good example, like let's say you have written some method and you're not very sure. Okay, so let's say you're a Java developer. Okay, you're a Java guy and you're writing some Python code, or let's say vice versa, because I have written this in kind of Java. So let's say you're a Python guy, you don't know how to write methods in Java, so but you know on high level something about the Java. So you written some code. Okay, so by just looking at this code, you can if you are from the automation or developer, you can see that this method is wrong, totally wrong, right? There are a lot of things missing. I hope you can guess, but let's try to ask from the AI. I have not asked anything. I simply copy paste my method and simply I clicked on the enter. See what the AI is saying. It looked like you are attempting to define a method in Java for calculating the sum of two numbers. However, there are some syntax error in the code you provided. So automatically AI come to know that I want to know the syntax or something. I want to correct this method, right? So see, now compare my method and AI method. So public int, I have written a string here. AI corrected it to the string. Sum of two numbers, sum of two numbers. See, I missed S. Okay, so AI added numbers. Okay, uh, plural form. So int a comma b. I have written int a comma b, which is wrong. So AI corrected int a comma int b. Right, this is the correct one. and then int sum is equal to a plus b. This is correct statement. Now return sum. I forgot to return the value, and it and AI corrected, return sum. So basically this method is absolutely correct now in Java. Okay, and you can also, let's say, this is correct, this is the main method, and you can call. Okay, so I want it in Python. So let's say you're a Java guy, but you want to do coding in Python. Okay, so you have written some method in Java which you are aware. I want it in Python. Let's see. See, this is the Python code. Okay, so even with very, very basic knowledge of Python, you can do some kind of coding in Python as well. So basically, now, with the help of AI, you don't need to find the Python guys in the market, right? Because a lot of people are from Java background and you can hire the Java people. With the help of AI, you can do coding in Python as well. So this is the advantage of AI. Okay, so here I have, so you can write in the JavaScript as well. Same example. Can you please write the code of find palindrome in Python? Okay, so this will be again, I want to write a method of palindrome in Python. So you can see. Uh, in 1 seconds your answer is there. So this method is basically to find a palindrome in Python. Okay, so we know how to write in Java, but for a Python, this is the code. So basically you don't have to waste a lot of time. You can just directly write uh, in any language basically. Okay, so that language barrier has kind of been removed with the help of AI, right? So you can do coding in JavaScript, Python, C Sharp, any language basically. So you should know a basic idea of at least one language. Okay, let's say Java, Python, any one language, and then with the help of AI, you can do magic. Can you please give some example of advanced XPath in Selenium, right? So see, uh, if you have done the web automation using Selenium, you know that XPaths are the best uh, guy. Okay, in Selenium, like we most of the time we use XPath, but normal XPath we know how to write. But sometimes some tricky situation comes where we need to write advanced XPath, right? So see, here we get all kind of XPath. Okay, you can see contains. You can use this contains. Let's go from the top. At the rate type is equal to text, at the rate class external and title, ul and class, then list three, so, then contains, we use the contains text if you want to search with the text, with the class child, all this thing, following sibling, I hope you have used the following sibling, ancestors, all these kind of things. Okay, I used to keep a notes of all these kind of advanced XPath in my notepad because they are generic and you can utilize them. But with the help of AI, see, already you have a lot of notes, right? No need to keep notes separately. So this is the advantage of coding, especially for the automation guy and for the developers. Like you can take the advantage of the AI in such cases, right? So this is just for the demo purpose, but you can write here big codes as well. No problem in that. Okay. SOW writing. This is for the project managers and the senior management people who are used to write big SOW. What usually they do? They just prepare one big SOW and they just copy paste from the previous project and they prepare a new SOW, right? This is generally what I have seen, right? But with the help of AI, you can create a brand new SOW for every new project according to the requirement. Okay. So see what I have written here. Can you please help me to write a SOW statement of work for a new automation project, mentioning the agreement, project definition, milestone, deliverables, project location, fees and payment, change control procedure, QA approach, QA scope, roles, responsibilities, assumptions, risk and mitigation plan, detailed timeline, cost and termination conditions. So I try to explain whatever I can to the AI and see how beautifully a proper SOW will be in front of you in 1 minute. Okay, and now you can add your own details as per your project, right? But at least you have a high level framework, right? This is what we need initially. You have the framework template, and now you just add your own values. See, this is magical, right? I really like all these things. Could you please give me a business case for starting a food restaurant and some important points to keep? Okay, so as an end user, let's say I want to start a restaurant, food restaurant, and I want to just know what AI thinks about my business plan. Okay, so as a business person, if you are starting a new business, something new company, anything, let's see what kind of suggestions can be taken from the AI. See, objective to establish and operate a restaurant, providing high quality dine experience and contributing to the local culinary landscape, right? Key benefit, meeting demands, economic impact, market analysis, target audience. So you need to focus on your what will be your target audience, competitive landscape, analysis of the local competition. What are your local competitions? You need to take care about that. Operation plan, locations, you need to fix, menu development, staffing, financial projections, initial investment, revenue streams, operating expenses, market strategy. So basically hell lot of things, right? So hell lot of things AI has given us, right? So it's a good start to start any business. Try to take the advantage of the AI, and you can do a lot of things. You know, you can create your own logos, you can create your company logo, anything basically, a lot of things. Okay, marketing, banners, a lot of things you can create using the AI. Okay, let's come to the email writing part. The best email, can you please write an email for the out of office due to some personal work to my manager? Okay, so you want to write a out of office email. So let's see. So see, the complete template is there. I hope the emails finds you well. I'm writing to inform that I will be out of office for this number of days, starting from this to this, due to some personal commitment, etc. Due to my absence, I have limited access to my email. So that's standard lines, right? You can easily copy paste from here. So this is one thing which I like. Can you please write an email asking client to have a small meeting to discuss ongoing project activity? So see, these kind of emails are very tricky and you don't know what kind of language and what kind of words you should use while writing to your client, right? So in these kind of trickier situation, okay, if let's say there are a lot of bugs in production and you are responsible, you are owning that project and you need to, the client is angry, so you can write all these kind of situations, and let's see how AI respond with that. I hope this is standard line. I would like to request a brief meeting to discuss the current status and ongoing activity of our project. Your insight and feedback are crucial for ensuring the successful progression of the project. And this agenda review of the project milestone, current progress, discussion on any challenges or roadblocks encountered. So basically, you know, all high level English basically has been given by the AI, and you know you don't need to spend 1 hour just writing one email, right? You can utilize your time in some uh, good things. So, but yes, so this is a good English you will get from the AI. Okay, so I hope you are trying to understand uh, how AI can be used. Can you please write an email asking HR to consider my profile for the open position? I checked on the LinkedIn. So this is basically you are trying to reach out to HR from another company. You saw one job, let's say from ABC company, and you want to apply. Okay, so see, so you can just copy paste email and you can simply copy paste this one and send to that particular HR over the LinkedIn that I saw one of the opening from your company. Can you please consider? So good words. Okay, all these things can be helpful. So this is about the email. Okay, I really like this email part because this is actually practical use, right? AI is helping us to practically help us. Okay, this is SOW, very, very important for managers and senior management people. LinkedIn profile, nice. A lot of people are, I think nowadays almost all the jobs are, coming from the LinkedIn, and LinkedIn become the number one job portal. So LinkedIn is very important. So you have given some idea about your experience. Like, can you please write a LinkedIn profile description having some year of experience in software automation, expertise in Java, Python, mobile API, all these things, AI programming, chatbots. You just tell your core expertise and see. This is the LinkedIn profile. You simply copy paste and update your profile right now. I would suggest you see how beautifully the complete paragraph has been written by the AI, right? So try to use this particular feature. Okay, can you please summarize this document? Okay, let me see. Okay, so let's say this is a one Wikipedia, okay, about the ISRO, Indian Space Research Agency, which recently landed a rocket on moon. Okay, so basically you don't have time. Okay, this is just for the example. You can use any document from your company. Okay, so see, I just simply copy pasted some paragraph here. Okay, and what you need to write, can you please summarize? Okay, so this is this one I need to tell. Hi, can you please summarize this document in short? Okay, this and just copy paste whatever you have read there. Okay, a big document. See, now ChatGPT has summarized, let's say. Okay, see, so the complete big document has been summarized. Okay, so this is a very, very big document to study, but ChatGPT has summarized this document in just this much of words, right? So basically the idea is you can pass on your big, big documents and you can get a gist of idea. So this is another good thing which you can try to use. Could you please write a speech for an automation presentation in front of a management showcasing your team achievement? Okay, so let's say you're a team lead or a team manager, okay, and you want to present your team, whatever your team has achieved in the past 6 months, let's say something like that. Okay, and you are not able to understand how to start presentation, right? This is one of the very difficult part, like how to give a speech, how to present yourself. So it's a big topic, right? I hope you understand. So see, you can copy words from this and you can give a very, very best presentation in your company. So see, good morning, etc. I appreciate the opportunity to stand before you today to present the remarkable achievement of our automation team over the past period, etc., etc. You can just go through that. I don't want to waste your time. Okay, so but this is some kind of idea I'm giving to you guys. Like you can ask anything to the AI, and AI can help you very much. Okay, in any kind of work, whichever you are dealing with. Okay, so can you please translate into English? Okay, let's say you don't know one particular language. Okay, so um, okay, you are reading some German article. Okay, and you like that particular because you understand the topic. Okay, topic interests you. Okay, but you are not able to understand the document. Okay, even though we have the Google Translator online, but let's say there are some things where you can't translate. Let's say PDF. Okay, it's a website. I can directly translate from the Google Translator. Okay, one add-on. But let's say you have some document, something like that. Okay, and you don't know what is written here, right? This is in Hindi. Okay, so I don't know. So you can simply copy paste. Okay, let's say only copy paste this one. So let's go to the AI. Okay, it is here. Can you please translate into English? So basically, I have not informed the AI that which language I am giving it to you, right? I have not informed AI that this is in Hindi, right? So, but AI automatically understand what is this, and the multi-bagger railway company has received a wagon order of worth of this crore from the government. Okay, so something like that. So basically, as a translator, also you can utilize the AI. Blog writing. Okay, can you please write an article about the street food in Spain? Okay, okay, let's see. So I want to write a blog that please write an article about the street food in Spain. Okay, I want to publish some article in some blog website. So see, churros and chocolates. Okay, bocadillo, empanadas. So basically, these are all the Spanish food. Okay, so even if you don't know what is this, but you can still write your article. Okay, this is a kind of cheating, but yes, at least if, but you can take at least help, right? If you are from Spain or you're living in Spain or in any part of the world, so you have some idea about the local cuisines, right? So you can write here, you can modify according to you, but at least you have a good idea about lot of local food, right? You can add your own, you can subtract something, you can change the text if you think this is not correct. So but you can write on blog on any particular topic. Okay, and see, and you know that people nowadays are publishing their books just by using the AI. They don't know anything, but they can still be a publisher. You can be a publisher. Let's say I want to publish a book for small kids. Okay, bedtime stories. Okay, so I can create 100 new stories with the help of AI, and I can just ask some publisher to print them in a book, and you can just publish it. Okay, so see. So once upon a time in a faraway land there was a magical forest. So you can see how beautifully a story has been written. Okay, for the kids. So this you can modify something here, and you can be a writer. You know, this is killing the creativity of the real writers, but yeah, this is the reality. Even though I'm not a big fan of such kind of activities, but yes, this is happening, and if you want, you can do it. Okay, now the image creation. I hope you are already aware about the delay. Okay, if not, this is for you. This is what I tried last time, and my account has been. Let's see if I have the account or not, because I remember last time update. We are no longer allowing new delay user delay 3, which are highly qualified images. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see. Let's say history. Uh, okay, let's go here. Delay. So using this try delay, okay, again to the same page. I'm not able to find where is the text box. Click to try this. Because last time I got error that my account has been full. Basically, I used all my available limits for delay to create, and I think that's the reason I'm not getting any new things to write. But you guys can go to this website, try. So basically, simply Google Delhi, and whenever you click on the try Delhi, so similarly, one text box will appear here. Okay, I don't know why this is not appear. I think my account has been already completed. Okay, yes, I logged in with my account. So yeah, so but basically you can I tried this one. Okay, so oil painting showing two kids studying and enjoying on the moon. Okay, so Delhi will create a image like two kids are studying under the moonlight. Okay, so basically the complete, so you can see here these are the paintings which has been generated by the people. Okay, so like this one. Okay, high quality photo of a monkey astronaut. Okay, so if you write that I need a high quality photo of a monkey astronaut, so this image has been printed, generated by the AI. Okay, and what's the concept behind this is like that uh, um, this AI already know what is astronaut. Okay, so they have thousands and lakhs of images of astronaut, real images. Okay, and AI also know what is monkey. They have thousands and thousands of monkey uh, images in their databases, right? So what they do, they merge whatever AI is able to understand from our text, and they merge two images and they create a brand new images. Okay, so basically this image nobody has clicked. Okay, so this image you will not find anywhere in the internet because this image never has been clicked. Okay, this is a brand new image generated by the AI. Okay, so what is this? A sea otter with a pearl earring. Okay, so this is a sea otter with a pearl earring. So nobody has clicked or nobody has drawn this images in real. So this is a because AI know what is Perl, AI know what is otter, sea otter. These two things AI know. Okay, earring, yes, AI know what is the pearl earring. Okay, so what AI done? It took the one of the images of the sea otter, took the pearl, put it here because AI know like this is the ear and here we used to wear the earring, and AI has created a brand new images. Okay, so these are the brand new images has been generated by the AI. See how beautiful are they? See a hand palm with a tree growing on top of it. So mm, s- you can see it's a beautiful images has been generated by the AI. See this one, a 3D rendered of the rainbow colored hot air balloon flying above a reflective lake. So this is a fake photo. This is not a real photo. Okay, but AI intelligently created a beautiful photograph out of few information which we have given to the AI. Right? So I will give you a few more idea. So hugging face. I recently come to know about the hugging face. This is again like similar to the chat, this one, chat GPT. Okay. So, on daily basis, new and new AI are coming into the market and see. Hi, let's see who won the World Cup in 1983. Okay, who won the let's cricket World Cup. So we already know how the open AI has given us the response, right? So this is the same Hugging Face. So they also given the similar response. Okay, even though the response of the open AI is much more descriptive, something like that. This is a bit short and summarized view. But again, so every AI is different. They have different style. Okay, but this is Hugging Face co. Okay, so what is the difference? So Chat GPT, the free version of the tool uses this model. Okay, and the premium user, the paid one, are using Chat GPT 4. So Chat GPT 4 is already available in the market, but you have to pay for that. Okay, so the issue with the Chat GPT 3.5, which we are using, is that the data is collected up to the late 2021. Okay, so basically till November, December 2021. So if you are asking anything after which is happening in 2022 or 2023, ChatGPT 3.5 will not be able to answer you. Okay, if let's say in 2023 some tournament happen, okay, some cricket or football championship. If you will ask that kind of question that who won football championship in 2023, so AI will not be able to reply you. Especially 3.5 will not be able to reply you. If you ask the same question to the ChatGPT 4, might be that can reply. Okay. Hugging Chat is based on the Meta LLM. Okay, this is some model name LLM that has the advantage of access to the data collected up to 2023. So basically, Hugging Chat is a bit um, like their databases is having a knowledge up to April 2023. Okay, so this is some things, but okay, so you can go with any one of them. Delhi, which we have already shown, which is not working for me right now, but there is another one, crayon. Okay, so similar to the Delhi which I shown you, there is a crayon. Okay, let's try to use. Okay, so at least I can use here. Okay, so what we want to write, let's write something. IT engineer working on the moon. Okay, let's see. Just write anything random, okay, which you can't imagine. Just write anything. Let's see what kind of image this particular AI can generate. Yeah, it's drawing. It will take some time. Template presentation. There is one more app, tom.app. This is for presentation generation AI tool. Okay, so basically some resume. See, I try to create a resume here. So I have given some information and so on high level. So basically, this has created a resume, right? So you can take the help of this tom.app to create your resumes. Okay, some different templates you can utilize here. So all these things are really nice. Finally, our images are here. So IT engineer working on the moon. Fine. See, this is IT engineer. This is IT engineer. See, this is something creative. This one is also good. See, uh, there's again a fake photo, but the AI know what is moon, what is IT engineer, and workings and all these things. So this image has been created. So basically, you can create images, and see, you can download it. Okay, you can use it somewhere. See, so a lot of images basically has been generated. So these are some of the benefits, some of the usage of AI. So I hope this particular chapter is not that much about the coding, but we have seen some important aspect, like especially this part, coding problem solving, how you can actually use the AI for your own day-to-day life. So I hope this is you like this particular chapter and you are able to understand something new. And in the next chapter, I will show you how you can create your MP3 file, basically MP3 file, a voice file with the help of some text. So basically, we will write some text. Let's say this text, we will pass it to the AI, and you choose the voice, what kind of voice you want to generate. Let's say a English lady or a English a gentleman, or maybe some in some other languages. Okay, and maybe a small boy, small girl. Okay, so that kind of voice you can select by your own, and you just give a sample text, and one MP3 file will get generated, and you can just listen to that. Okay, so one by step. Okay, we will not be in a hurry, right? Every chapter we will try to learn a small thing. Okay, and this way we all will have quite good idea about the AI. Okay, so I hope you like this particular chapter, and I will quickly try to get back to you with the next chapter. Till then, have a good day, enjoy your weekends, and yeah, keep learning. Bye bye.